What up, YouTube? If you've been following along on the channel, you'll see recently I had the sensor break off the top of my 2011 Toyota Corolla engine. Basically, this was the mount on the engine. It was screwed into the engine block like that. At some point, this broke off. It was attached kind of here. That broke off, and it was initially connected. Yeah, this connects it to the wire harness that the coil packs are attached to. Here's the original, and you can see this was dangling free. Eventually this either burned up or got hot or came off. So I was able to order one of these on Amazon. I think it was about $15. This is now garbage. This was a little bit harder to find. This is the original one. I actually found it in the engine bay. Who knows how long it was just sitting on top of the engine. Looked like a few places there's a number on the back of here. Let me see if I can read it. 90980044194 is the number on here. There was a few dealerships that sold this, but so I still have it. I think what I'm going to do is just drill a hole here, mount it back onto the engine. It'll be sitting a little bit lower, so that way I won't have to worry about it breaking off. And then I'll connect this, and then I bought some of these little heat shrink soldering joints here. I'll take my heat gun, solder it back. There's a wire coming out of the engine I can solder it back onto, and that should be good to go. So I'll go ahead and show you that now. Alright, so now I'm going to try and drill a hole through here. Got it locked in my vise. There we go, got a hole. We'll see if it fits the screw. All right, now that we've got this, get the hole drilled out, we have the screw. It goes right in here. So we're just gonna go ahead, screw this in, and then we're gonna be attaching it to this wire here. So it'll just be sitting a little bit lower. We'll see if we can get this screwed in here. There we go, screwed in. I'm going to tighten that up and then figure out how to connect it. And of note, before doing any work on your electronics, you should always disconnect your battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so here's my sensor here, the connector, the wire. Here's the little heat shrink wrap. I trimmed back this housing here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my heat gun on this, and that'll solder them together, and then I'll be able to put the housing back, and it should look pretty factory. Alright guys, there's the finished product. Looks pretty factory to me. Kind of under here. It's kind of hiding the little connector I made. You can see the kind of the solder there. Helping connect those wires. It just kind of hides under there for now. Let me know if you have any concerns with this, but I think it looks pretty good. Go ahead and like and subscribe as well.